Okay, I just gotta see if, because I actually connected my YouTube to my Discord, so it should say like streaming on my Discord. Like that's my goal.
That's not how that works. It only does that with Twitch. It doesn't do
Seriously?
that with
Does it
YouTube.
actually?
Yeah,
Okay, that's actually
yeah, it's
so
only for
annoying.
Twitch.
Let me just put like, hold on.
It doesn't do
Seriously?
that with
Does it
YouTube.
actually?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Let me. Okay,
You could create a webhook with Discord to automatically make a ping when you start streaming.
well, no. But I went on my like my profile, so I can so like anyone who clicks on my profile anywhere can see that.
The only way to do that is to multi-stream to Twitch.
Yeah, I know. Which I
Which
might do
isn't
at
a
some
horrible
point.
idea, honestly.
No, I know. Can I do that for free with OBS? I know you can't with
You have to use, I think
Streamlabs.
you have to use Streamlabs to multi-stream, and it is free, I think, still.
Are you sure? Hold on.
Yeah, I've used Streamlabs before. It's free. I'm not
I
really sure how multi-streaming works. I've never tried it before, but you should be able to.
no. It's not free.
Multi-stream, really?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, and the 39 cents I'm getting per stream is not gonna pay for that. Um, okay.
Well, if you
Well,
want to multi-stream anywhere, multi-stream TikTok, people get a lot of money off streaming on TikTok. You'd be
seriously,
surprised.
why?
Because it's like if you've ever used TikTok before, you'd understand why.
I used it like years ago, like probably 4 years
The
ago.
scrolling mechanic, like so like basically TikTok will randomly insert streams into your feed.
Yeah.
Basically, so when you're just scrolling randomly,
Uh,
sometimes if there's someone streaming that they think you might be interested in, they'll just put it on your feed. And
yeah.
it's really, really easy just to start watching a streamer for like an hour straight, just randomly while
Oh,
scrolling.
so this is okay. This is basically okay.
So because basically like several times this happened to me. 'Cause I just started using TikTok like recently.
Oh my God!
Um,
Of course you
like
did.
okay, they have no prior knowledge of me even doing anything related to OSU.
Oh my God.
And like randomly I'm just scrolling and I see an OSU streamer just appear on my feed and I just watch it for like 5 minutes. Like I don't know how, it just works. And then I scroll again and now there's like I'm being spammed with OSU stuff. It's like
Bro,
their algorithm is just superior. They'll have it'll make it easier to get recommended
why are you
to
like
new people
this?
basically. Just because
Oh
of how good
my
their
God.
algorithm is.
That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay, what are we starting on? I,
No, I've been live the whole time.
yeah.
Wait, that is working. Wait, what? I've never seen that
Oh,
before.
let's
It's
go.
working.
Nice. Sweet. Nice. Okay, anyways, okay,
I was working on I think what was that issue? The
okay,
tracker overhaul.
checker, which one though? You did support for non-compact or failing UDP messages?
It's supposed to be just a rewrite.
Oh yeah, but there's three linked issues.
Well, I wasn't attempting to fix any of those specific issues. I was attempting to rewrite the code, and the main one I wanted to tackle is you see where it says like send send the trackers uploaded like how many bytes you have uploaded and stuff and left and give
Hmm.
it information.
Yeah.
That's the main one I was trying to tackle while also rewriting it.
Sweet. Send it. Oh. Our current download progress, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no branch link to this. Have you started on this yet?
Yeah, I already have a branch for it, but I haven't pushed anything to it yet.
Okay. Um.
I'm gonna start a live show in a second. Let me just like
y-
finish eating. I'm almost
Yeah,
done my
yeah, yeah,
burger.
yeah. Why'd you not make an issue for that?
What'd you say?
Why didn't you make an issue for the current download progress thing?
There isn't one?
No. There's just a question mark and no linked branch,
Oh,
which is gonna make me crash out.
I'll make an issue for it then.
All right. Here, I could do it. I just
Make an
didn't
issue
know.
for it. I'll publish your branch in a second. One second. Let me wash my hands real quick.
All right. Okay, he's gonna go watch. Okay. Oh my god, this man cannot focus for the life of him. I can't either, but okay, update track is gonna look something like that, I guess. So should be update update tracker with current download progress. Um, this issue. I hate writing issues. Oh my god, Charles, that's the loudest meow ever, dude. Okay, update tracker with current download progress. This issue describes.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, that was fast. Um, this. Dude, I'm actually so bad at writing issues. Okay, this issue. Okay, well, okay.
Just
Current,
read mine. Use mine
currently.
as like an example.
Nah, no, no. Currently we aren't sending trackers. Trackers are download status, even though. Um, let's see. Does BEP03 specify that we have to do that?
So by what?
That we have to send trackers our download status?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty well. Let me check what specific BEP it is. I don't remember what specific one, but
I I think it's BEP because that's well. Okay.
I don't remember what BEP it is though.
Yeah. No. 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 BEP3 mentions that it's that there is a downloaded key, but it doesn't. I don't see where it specifies when it needs to send that.
Every time
Uh.
we're requesting more peers.
Oh. Oh. That's not bad. Oh. Okay. That's not bad. Okay. Um. Trackers are download status. Even though BEP03 specifies this. Our download status when we request more peers, even though BEP03 specifies this. This issue fixes this oversight. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna be too fancy tonight, man. Okay,
I'll
Bep,
just edit your issue if you mess up. It's fine.
you what?
Said if you mess up the issue, I'll just edit it. It's fine.
No, okay. Uh, bug. Um,
Hands are washed. I've eaten my food. I'm ready to lock in.
okay. You're not gonna lock in though, are you? Okay.
Bro, I've been locked in on this project for the past like 2 days.
You really have. I can't even like joke about you not, because like you really been like locked in like crazy. Um,
I'm
okay.
pretty sure I have like 80 commits this month.
Holy shit. Okay, okay. Uh, 82. Let me. Okay, 82. You said you have a branch already?
Yes, I do. It's local right now. I haven't published it. Let
Why did
me
you?
add a relationship.
Oh, that's gonna make my life
Produce it?
harder. 'Cause I don't know how to.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I got it. I got it.
Okay, you're gonna have to link a draft BR.
No, you don't. No, I can just. I got it. I got it, Oscar.
You
Uh,
can't link a branch to an issue once it's already made, I think.
I'm pretty sure you can.
I'm
What?
99% sure you cannot. I apologize for this.
Tracker code overhaul. There. That's issue. And then I'm gonna go here.
Okay, yeah, there's a parent issue.
There we go.
Let me see. Let me
Now
see
that's
what he's doing.
added.
Let's see what he's doing.
Okay, that's done. Okay. So now let me. I'm just gonna open Zed.
Wait,
Now.
did you actually link it to the? You
No,
did.
hold on.
Okay, I might crash out, but okay.
I got it. I got it. You gotta trust the process,
I
Oscar.
I don't trust the process at all whatsoever.
Yeah, he doesn't trust me.
I don't trust him. Okay.
Okay, what branch am I on? Okay, are you on Zed by the way?
No, let me get that open. I forgot to use that, which doesn't count my coding time for some reason. I'm gonna
Well,
crash
it's
out.
because you leaked your thing and you didn't
No,
change
no,
it. I don't
no,
think.
no. I did change it.
Is it back? Really?
Yeah.
Strange. Okay. Oh. All. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Why am I getting a warning?
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Just
do I have any diffs? Like, what's going on?
you did invite me. I just can't see it. Okay. I'm gonna ignore
Let's see,
that. Okay.
get diffs. I don't know why I'm getting a warning.
Okay. What do we?
Uh, mutant Zed. Cargo.
Thank you. Okay.
B.
Okay. Let me
No.
see.
Okay, we're good. Okay. So
You did that,
what I want to do
then tracker. Hmm.
is complete because the way we're doing this is like horrific. It's really, really bad.
Yeah.
This code is disgusting,
It's not awful,
put it
awful.
lightly. No, it's really bad.
How so?
Um,
How so?
what? Okay, why does tracker trade exist?
That was you, not me. No,
Yes, it was. See, we both didn't really know Rust when writing this, especially you, because this was like
no,
this is the
yeah, no,
first thing I
I didn't know
implemented.
anything. No, but yeah,
So
no, there's no reason to have a tracker trait because we're never gonna reuse this.
exactly. So, um,
Let's get rid. Well,
yeah.
hold on. Should we?
And then
Sh
also another problem is I did some research. Create a new UDP server per tracker, which isn't good.
Oh, that's not nice. Okay. Wait. Are you sure about that, or is this another thing with?
No, I'm sure.
Are you very okay?
Yeah, so unlike TCP or TCP, just due to the nature of the protocol, like
Mhm.
it has a
Oh,
server
right. Okay.
client
Yep. Yep.
protocol.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
so
remembering now.
that's so that's just how that works with TCP. But for UDP, it's just peer to peer. So
Okay.
it creates a listener and a sender at the same time.
Yeah. Uh.
So we're creating a new one that has a whole port on our computer every
Yeah.
time you have a tracker, and then we
Yeah.
have another one for the UTP server
Okay.
on top of that.
That. Yeah.
So we're talking like let's say if we have like let's say three UDP trackers
We're gonna create a new
and
one every time we send a message.
yes, no, not send a message, but like not send a message, but every time we like interact with one. No, that's wrong. For each tracker we'll have one UDP server. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Each tracker.
Yeah.
So that's not good. I figured out a way to well, I figured out a way to use only one
Yeah.
because there is no connection with UDP really.
Yeah.
Like the protocol, there is no connection. Like that doesn't exist. It's just you shooting values back and forth with each other with your port and IP address. So we can kind of like have one UDP server that will just listen for messages from specific listen t- listen to messages from one specific tracker at a
Hmm.
time and just handle that appropriately.
Okay. So. Okay. So we're just
This
gonna have,
is
yeah, just one server running. Uh. How are we gonna handle that across threads if we need to do multi-threading? And we probably are.
well, it's going to be multi-threaded in nature because yeah. Well, um, again, well, here's the trick. Try to think of UDP more like HTTP requests than like an actual stream or long-standing connection. It's like you just shoot a message to the other person, kind
Hmm.
of. So, it shouldn't. Literally, all we have to do is just assign, give it an IP and a port to send a message to,
Yeah.
and send that message. There is no like with TCP. There's like a stream object and stuff that you have to manage, and you have to write to that stream for that specific peer or whatever. But
Hmm.
that isn't like a thing with UDP. It's just like you put an IP in a port or a location to send a message to, and you just send it.
Yeah.
So, with that in mind, as long as we store the connection ID, which is just like the unique ID for a connection for
Yeah.
each tracker, and then we check which tracker sent it.
Oh,
So like we
okay.
can have like a hash map, yeah, filled
Yeah.
with all of our connection IDs,
Okay.
um, and have the key be the tracker URL or something, or the
Hmm.
tracker port, and whatever way you can try to hash the tracker in some way.
Yeah.
And if you can just have a connection ID, and then we can just
Okay.
shoot messages back and forth without even knowing much context or any context at all about the tracker itself.
That seems reasonable. Okay.
So that makes that a lot more efficient, and we would only have to store connection IDs,
Okay.
and that's for the UDP tracker.
Okay. Wait. Hold on. So. Okay. Wait. Let me look up EP Tokyo. Is there a function for that that by
What?
default allows us to send packets over UDP in that manner, like uh, w- without going off of a UDP
Action?
socket,
Uh, yes. Hold on. Let me just try something.
just to make sure that we're actually
Uh,
doing the right thing.
self dot stock. Wait, what? Oh, I was no self in this. Okay. Let me just find a function that has self
Oh,
in it so I can
flashbang.
like actually. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Should I
sockets dot.
back?
Wait, what?
You got
I'm
this.
so
You got
confused.
this.
Oh wait, it's sock. Sock. That's why. No, it isn't. Okay. Let me look at Tokyo.
Oh my
So
god.
Tokyo.
Uh,
Well, it wouldn't really be Tokyo specific. It would just be because Tokyo is just like an async copy paste of the standard library, so it should be exactly the same for the standard library UDP.
yeah.
So okay, so find
Yeah, because we
receive.
bind that, but I don't know how.
Well, there's a receive from, so I would just loop. I would just receive. Okay, so if you literally look at the first page of the UDP socket documentation for Tokyo,
Hmm.
it says you can just receive from, just enter anything you receive from that socket into a buffer, and it'll give you the address and the length of whatever it received.
Okay. But that's not. We're still going off of a socket, aren't we?
Well, so it says example one-to-one connect thing with arc. Is there like a send to? Hold on, let me check. Uh,
Oh,
so,
there literally is a
uh,
send to function. Um.
uh, really? Okay. Well,
Wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Well, wait. Okay. Okay. So this.
address type can be any implementer of two socket adders trait.
Yeah.
So basically anything that can be turned into a socket adder can we can send something to. So yeah, that literally just works.
Yeah. So, but we would still have to have that UDP socket bound, which means that we might have to deal with something
Well,
like an
no,
arc
what do you mean
mutex.
by
Well,
what do you
because
mean?
we're still gonna have a base socket, right? Like we can't just
Yeah.
dot send.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Well, that's what I was saying because otherwise we wouldn't be able to listen to for messages. We need a listener. That's what I'm saying. We would still need a listener to listen from in to it. We would still need a listener to listen for incoming messages, but we don't have to make a unique socket for each one for
Yeah,
each
but
tracker is what I'm saying.
yeah, but I'm asking how do we handle that in a multi-threaded environment?
Well, we could have the UDP socket just be on one thread that just has a listener, and I don't know actually.
Actually, it should be fine. This
Yeah.
functionality can, yeah, we don't need to use an arc mutex because none of the methods take a mutable reference to self. You can just
Oh yeah, we're
connect.
not muting anything. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, okay, so that will make our lives easier because that, yeah, so we can basically just do everything. Um,
I'm pretty sure what we're doing right now, we're just storing the UDP socket in self. So I'm pretty sure that we should be fine.
yeah,
We're literally just storing in self. So
yeah, no, yeah,
so
it shouldn't matter.
with this change, we'll drastically lower the amount of picking up on someone's computer,
Yeah,
which is good.
yeah,
And we'll only have one. We'll have two UDP servers still, obviously, because we need one for UTP.
yeah,
Just honestly fine.
yeah.
Two is better than like six.
Uh huh. Uh huh.
So yeah. And
Okay,
also
so
we need to figure out a way to kill this server if like this if
that
the UDP tracker like isn't live.
that should be a function, or I can't imagine there's like
Yeah.
no way to kill the server.
No, no, you can
Um,
kill the server. The server is killed when either the references to this to the bind is dropped,
mhm.
or if you just like run like kill or something, I think.
Okay. That should be Yeah, and we can yeah, we can use that in a context or something.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So first thing we have to do, we need to like Frankenstein, like take apart all of this
Mm-hmm.
because it is.
Here, hold on. First thing, let's remove this tracker trait because I just realized uh, we don't ever actually use it anywhere, as far as I'm aware.
Really? No,
Um,
we do like impl, like UDP and HTTP tracker.
oh, okay. Well, still.
Yeah.
Uh, well, actually, should we remove it then if we have it there?
I think we just leave it for now, just so
Okay,
things don't nuke itself and we're not able to compile anything.
that's fair.
But I think okay. I think we need to like, I think a good way to start is to like write what we want the syntax of using the tracker should look
Okay.
like theoretically.
That seems valid. Okay. Yeah. Let me scoot in my chair. Okay. Okay. So let's. Okay. Where do we want to start here?
Uh, so let's just go to the top of the file,
Okay.
the top of mod arrest and tracker.
Oh, Monterey. Okay. Yeah. Yep.
So it would be something like you have let tracker equals tracker HTTP,
Mhm.
something like this,
Okay.
and then okay, and then we'd have I kind of want it to turn it into a stream like we were planning before. I did
Mhm.
some more research on streams and it should be doable.
No, I'm not completely sure because uh UDP socket doesn't implement split. Um, I forget why.
Really?
Because this functionality can be achieved by instead wrapping the socket in an arc. So, it really it should just be a like send and receive. Um,
Well, I'm saying no, we send the peers that we're receiving from the trackers in the stream, if that makes sense.
huh?
Or we can have it, hold on. Actually, no, I have an idea. I have an idea. Let
Okay.
me check this.
Yeah. Do
Cause
explain.
uh hold on. Let me cook real quick.
I'm not trusting you to cook. Also, we can just
What
put
if we
this.
had
In,
uh
oh, do we
what
need
if we
this?
had like a struct called like announce response? Because
Mhm.
there was the now I'm thinking about the HTTP and UDP trackers both like require almost the exact same information, but we're redefining the same struct like twice in both files. We
Yeah.
should probably change that.
Yeah, that might not be a bad idea. Um, okay, so that okay,
So what if
let's
we have like instead of tracker tree, you have like tracker instance, right?
mhm.
That that would have like function would have like hold on,
Uh-oh,
would
I'm
have
looking.
like no, actually that wouldn't work. I'm
Okay,
thinking, I'm
you got
thinking.
this. You got this. I believe in you. Um,
This
hmm,
is because I'm thinking because we might have to make it like a tracker manager, but that would be more so an engine. Like we would
yeah.
have to have a manager for the trackers that would keep them in check and make sure that everything's okay.
Mhm. Okay. That would be a pain to do. Okay, so okay, here. Let's go back to the
How do we
Monterest
communicate with? Oh, go back to
example.
what?
The Monterest example. Okay, so if we
Yeah.
have a tracker, uh, and okay, how are we? What's the default input needed for just an HTTP tracker right now? Like, what does it need
Uh,
the new function?
Default input. We need a info hash and we need our peer address.
Okay, so wait. Do you mean peer? Oh. You mean the peer address?
Yeah, for us. So that's for other peers to connect to us.
Wait, why can't the peer just see our IP address when we connect to them?
Well, we don't exactly need to give them our IP address, but we need to give them our port that we're listening on,
Hold on, let me look. Let me look.
and the track will handle giving them our IP address. Is that
Uh,
making sense?
that hold on. I'm just looking at the code right now. Um,
Following.
hold on. If adder is equal to, just don't send it as optional. So adder, so if we're not given a pure adder, the default adder is what? And if we let IP, if the tracker is the IP address, I'm not grasping what we're doing here at all.
Okay, so basically,
Because
think about it like this.
why are we
What do
sending
you
the
mean?
peer our local adder?
We aren't. That's what that thing. That's what that if check is for.
Is loopback or
We're checking if it's the loopback or unspecified. That's checking if it's our local address.
okay? Wait, hold on. Loopback checks for. Okay, what's the exact definition of a loopback address? Loopback
I'm pretty sure it's
address.
just the 0.0.0 or something. That's a loopback address. It should say if you just hover over like loopback
Yeah, no,
or
no, no.
in the editor.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Or
Cause
it's like 255.255.255. It's like one of those. I
that's
forgot which one is which, but it's like the placeholder addresses
no.
basically.
I know what you mean. I just don't know why. Wait, yeah, but are the default adder is a loopback address then?
Yeah, so I'm saying if we don't if that is our address right now, then just don't specify the address. Yeah, that is dumb code. It's dumb code. It's like
That's so weird.
you see what I mean?
Okay, I'm not
The
gonna
code
think
is
about
dumb,
that
but
too much.
I'm saying like if we are using a loopback or unspecified address, that's basically like it's basically meaning like it's not a real IP that other people can access. That's basically what I'm checking for.
Okay,
If it's
that
like an actual real IP, then just don't specify
that's
it if
so
it's not a
weird.
real IP.
Let me hold on,
Because
look
that
at the BEP spec.
what'd you say?
No, no, no. Sorry. You're fine. I'm just looking at at the BEP spec. Optional
Are you
command.
confused on why we would even send or why we need to give them the port in the to begin with? Is that what
Yeah,
you're confused
well,
about?
yeah, because there's no. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so Oscar, how do you think we get peers from the tracker?
Because when we connect the tracker,
No,
they can
how do
see
you
all
think that tracker got those peers?
it had peers connect to it.
Exactly. And
S-
how do you think the tracker knows what port we should be connecting to them on?
Oh, so oh, okay. So okay, yeah. Okay, now I see.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay,
when you connect to a tracker like that, you're basically putting yourself and your port and your IP address
okay,
on that list,
okay.
so for other people to connect.
Wait,
That's why they need your port because um it's for other people to connect to you, basically.
but hold on, because that our the port that we're giving them is just the port that we're using to connect to them on this tracker. No.
Well, we've changed that in the engine code. That's been changed. It no longer does that.
Oh my god. Okay.
But yeah, no.
PCS. Okay.
It used to do that, but no, it doesn't do that anymore.
Oh my god. Okay.
So we're giving them
That's
so what we're giving them right now is the
yeah.
TCP port. So we're giving them our
Okay.
TCP listener for the
Okay.
TCP peers.
Okay.
That's what we're giving them.
Okay. Let me just make a note of that. Pure, because that is so wildly confusing. Tracker adder refers to the TCP port that we are
Well, it
listening
doesn't
on.
have to refer to the TCP port. It could also be the UTP port. It's just supposed to be a port
Okay.
that other peers can connect to us on.
To the port that we are listening on could be TCP, uh, which could be TCP, UTP, etc. Okay. Yeah, 'cause that's so wildly confusing. Okay. Okay. Now we have that. Okay. So okay, let's go back to the mod RS thing. Okay. So we want. Okay. So we give them the address and port that we're listing on, and then we also give the tracker the info hash. Okay, so we want to basically start with like tracker dot connect or something, um, and then tracker dot get peers, and then
And this function on HTTP wouldn't do anything, by the way.
what do you
But we
mean?
should still have it there. It should just be like a blank function that doesn't do anything. But we should still have it though, because there is no connection with HTTP tracker, just a HTTP get request.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't really. Yeah, so this wouldn't do anything in an HTTP tracker, by the way. It probably would be if we plan on
Oh, right.
implementing WebSocket.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you.
But for UDP and WebSocket trackers, if we ever do that again,
Yeah.
this would do something.
Yeah. Wait, wait, do you mean
And
my
then
friend's voice is, you mean Seifu's voice is louder than mine or like just higher as in pitch?
what do you mean?
Don't ask, buddy. Don't ask. You're too young for this. You're too young. You're too young.
What?
Too.
You're like 4 months older than me. What do you mean?
Okay, okay. Okay, so this would be irrelevant for HTTP trackers, relevant for HTTP trackers. As we would get the peers, and then
Well, we won't get the peers. We could do like, well, we can I guess we could have like announce
oh lower, yeah, sure, there
an
should be better now.
announce stream, which
Mm.
would return a stream
Yeah.
here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I
And oh
think
wait,
I. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fine.
yeah, and then so this is like an async stream up here. And then what we can do here is have this tracker.connect. We can have it return a TX so we can send information to that tracker.
Okay, this seems. Yeah. Okay, I like.
Or however you, I don't really know how message channels work as well as you do, but
I
it could be
am.
something like this.
I am a genius when it comes to Tokyo. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for recognizing
Yeah,
that.
so this is what I'm thinking.
Okay,
So, and
that
then when
seems
we want to
reasonable.
edit information like tx.send
Blah blah blah.
what do you say?
Or just no, just like anything, literally anything. But
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
So
just
we can
like
send like uploaded uh 20 or whatever. Something like that. Like it's just pseudocode, but like you know what I mean.
yeah. Uh, okay, yeah,
What do you
that
feel about this?
yeah, that seems fine. Okay, the stream. I look at how streams work 'cause I don't.
They're basically the same. They're basically I'm pretty sure the TCP and PureStream, I'm pretty sure it's using the same thing. Like if you
Yeah.
go to
Wait.
protocol and then Stream RS, I'm pretty sure it's like
Okay,
you can see
protocol.
how streams work.
Protocol stream RS. Let me look. 'Cause
Well, no,
why?
actually no, wait, no, this is Redux, never mind.
Excuse me.
Uh
Why wouldn't? Hold on. Because okay, why wouldn't we just use a channel here instead? Um,
well,
cause
because the difference is Stream is implements iterator, so you can just convert it to a vector really easily.
yeah, but
And it'll also automatically like so it kind of is like a two-in-one because it's an iterator. A stream is an iterator, and it's also like here's how you like loop
reference.
over a hold on. You can like just do like
No, wait. Okay, hold on. No, no, because I
you,
know how a stream works, but if we just return a single stream, we can't update that stream from the
but
tracker
you can
struct. You can?
that's how that works.
Wait. Okay. Show me how this black magic works, because that's what
I
I'm.
I
That's what.
I don't know. I haven't. I need to look at it.
You.
Oh, he's saying like, can you
Oh.
lower me? By the way,
Yeah, 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 yeah. I saw. I saw.
I might be too loud. My fault.
You definitely went closer to your microphone there.
No, okay,
You
whatever.
definitely that was intentional.
Tracker. Oh
Okay.
wait, no.
Yeah.
Tracker.
No, I just want to see.
Tracker.
Huh?
Is that tracker?
What?
Tracker.
No way. No way. Uh,
Okay. Hold on. Let me go to Tokyo
yeah, because yeah, go ahead.
Stream. Streams Tokyo async runtime. Oh, I think it's its own crate. Unfortunate.
Oh, wonderful. Wait, don't we have that though? Look at the toml. No, we don't. Okay, never mind. Wait. Tokyo Stream. We have Tokyo Stream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then we do have that.
Okay,
Yeah,
but let me.
that's what we need.
On.
So
I'm
if you
looking
look
at
at
the
the docs,
docs.
you're also in the docs in chat there.
You what?
It's the docs with stream.
Okay. I just don't understand how we like add to that as it seems like it's just a wrapper for channel. No, like which isn't bad, but I
Um,
just let me see. Let me see. Functions. Sure.
mm,
Empty. No.
connect,
From stream. No.
subscribe.
Oh my god. Where is it? Okay.
This is okay. Implementing stream. Poll next.
Oh. Oh. I should have been looking. Wait. Implementing. Where?
I found the examples. If you scroll down a little bit, you have to
Scroll.
scroll down a decent bit because it has a lot of examples on how to use stream. But if you scroll down
Do you
to like
mean
adapters,
function? Oh, adapters. Oh, okay.
yeah,
Okay.
scroll
Yeah.
down
I
a little
did
bit
not.
farther. Yeah, and I'll show you
Yeah. Adapters and then
implementing stream.
implement. There's no. Just, just,
Scroll
just,
down.
just send me it. Did you? Just send me it. Just.
Scroll. It's literally just scroll down, Oscar, please. Oh wait. You're on the official Tokyo. Wait, look at the link I sent you in Discord. On in the development chat.
Oh. Okay.
I
I
said
was
I
gonna.
sent you a link in the development chat, bro.
Um, implementing stream. Okay, yeah, let me see. Stream is very similar to feature trait. Stream is much like feature except it can be repeatedly.
Hey, stop skimming documentation.
I'm reading it quickly. Okay, look, there's a difference. There's a difference.
No, never. But it's fine.
There's a difference. Come on, chill, man, chill. Okay, let me. Okay, searching for license expect to be received.
So it says manually implementing streams using the stream trait can be tedious. Unfortunately, the Rust programming language does not yet support async await syntax for defining streams. This is in works, but not yet ready. We could probably, if
Wonderful.
it's
Great.
in the nightly chain, then we could probably use it. But
we could also
the
just
async
use channels here.
async stream,
Like,
it is. What do you mean?
I don't understand the application for stream at all, which is my own fault. But I don't.
It's because it can. It's
What?
because
This is so weird.
it's kind of like
So
okay.
weird, dude.
So the reason why I want to use stream here over a channel is because number one, we don't need to receive things back from this really.
Mhm.
Like this is a one-way thing,
Mhm.
and it can easily be turned into a vector, and
Mhm.
also it has a smaller footprint. While the syntax is fairly similar,
Okay. Okay, but
and it looks it looks like it applies to our use case like perfectly. This is exactly what we're trying to do.
it does. But it doesn't like. There's no way to just add something to that stream, as far as I can tell, unless I am missing something.
There is. That's what the poll next is for.
But the poll next shouldn't be directly called. That's
Well, what do you mean? We're supposed to implement that function. That's how that works.
yeah, but we don't directly call that. So and that's why I don't understand. That's hold on.
No, okay. So it's a trait. Stream is a trait.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
You know how you define functions for traits so they can be
yes,
called?
yes.
So the stream is a trait, and the only function it requires us to specify is the poll next. And then it specifies all the other functions in the trait using the poll next function.
You are confusing
That make
me.
sense?
Good lord. Yes, but
Oscar.
look,
Okay, let me
I'm so
let me just make
tired.
an example in our code. Okay,
Okay,
go to
yes.
the code, go to mod
Okay,
RS.
yeah, I'm there,
Okay, traits A
Mhm,
FNB
mhm,
I32,
mhm.
right? So this
Okay,
is an unspecified function. This is a function we're not specifying, right?
okay, yes.
Right.
Mhm,
Then FNC, right,
mhm.
takes in self
Okay,
and then does self dot B,
okay,
right?
okay,
And then and have it return I32.
okay.
Self and have it return self dot B plus 3, right?
Okay, great.
So
Yes.
now if we do that struct this, well, ff fff and impl a for fff
Okay.
fnb
Mm-hmm.
32 10. What would be the output of fff.c?
FFF. This is too hard for my brain. No, it would still be 13. No. Yeah.
Exactly. This is the
Okay.
same logic that we're using.
Yes.
We specify, so in the same sense, if we were to create an identical struct, this, or f's now, and change this to 12 or 13, this would now be 16 if we call it from this. So
Yeah.
now if we call
Yeah.
fff dot b,
Yeah.
this is 13, and fff dot
B is 16. Yes.
b.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is the logic that we're using.
Okay.
We don't
But
have to specify the function. We just have to specify what it's dependent on. So B is dependent on A. No. E is dependent on B existing.
okay, yeah, but again, why are we uh, this seems like a job for a channel because we're going across threads across functions concurrently.
Well,
Because
not exactly. No, not really. No. What do you mean?
if we have a function, if our little announce stream function is constantly getting peers and sending them
Yeah.
back to us,
Yeah.
we only have we're only going to return a single value from this, and that's going to be a stream. So we're going to return a
Yeah,
single
and the
stream.
stream is going to be constantly updating
So how are we
with new
modifying
peers.
that? How are we modifying that from announce stream?
That's the poll. That's the poll next. The poll next runs every time we run dot next. I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
And it will return an enum that specifies whether we're ready or we're pending. So ready would mean we have a value,
Okay.
and pending means we still don't have the next value yet. I'm
Okay.
assuming.
That.
So
Okay.
basically, like we'll have the next. So basically, while that's gonna run forever, like an infinite number of times,
Mm.
and then what's gonna happen is we're gonna run poll next,
Mm-hmm.
um, over and over and over again. This is just how while loops work. And
Yes.
it's gonna be an enum that tells us whether we have the next option yet or
Okay.
if we're still waiting, right?
Yes.
And
Okay.
then
So.
once we get the next option, then we enter the while loop.
Okay.
Well, we enter the loop and we can actually do stuff with that data.
That seems. Okay. I don't completely understand, but I do feel like I understand it. Kind of.
So, and that logic is essentially the same as channels. It's just this one direction, and I think it's more efficient for this use case because
Mm-hmm.
it's how easy it is to turn it into a vector.
Okay. That does seem reasonable, but okay. If we why do we want to turn this into a vector if we're getting one value at a time? Why do we?
Because we can like have peer chunks basically, or we can chunk up because we're not gonna because what's gonna happen is we're gonna have a chunk of peers come in, like let's say like
Yeah.
20 peers come in, and then we're gonna have to wait for like 10 seconds for
Yeah,
the next
sure.
batch, right?
Yeah,
It's gonna be
sure.
like that.
Yeah.
But we can like have a peer chunk basically,
Mm-hmm.
and then basically have like we can like chunk up peers basically like that. It's not the biggest deal in the world, but like it's just I
I
guess, yeah.
still don't see why this is more efficient and optimal than that channel.
Well, because we don't need to receive anything. Well, I
But
mean, we don't need to send anything back to it basically.
we're still doing dot next, aren't we? So that's I mean we're not sending it, but we're still updating something across threads.
Well, I'm saying that we won't need to send stuff back to the tracker basically through that function. That's what I'm
Why would
saying. That makes sense?
why would that?
So I'm saying that we won't because of the fact that we don't need to send any this announce stream function doesn't have any parameters. Doesn't need to take It doesn't need to take in anything.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't need to use it. We don't need to send anything back to it. All we need from this is the stream appears that can be constantly updated. Now, yes, we could technically do it from here, the RX,
Mm-hmm.
but the now stream we would have to store this in self, and that might get a bit annoying to deal with lifetimes, honestly.
It could be,
Versus just having a stream that we just create that can be updated constantly,
but we're also
very
gonna have to
simply.
implement this entire stream by hand.
Well, there is a crate for that. It says it in the thing.
Oh,
And the stream doesn't, I mean, the stream trait doesn't look that hard to implement, if I'm being honest. Because
okay.
it's literally just has like, it just says ready and pending.
Yeah. All right. Well.
So,
Uh.
yeah.
All right. I guess we do it. All right.
Yep.
Okay. So where do we start? Do we
Need
want
to
to?
get, well, we need to
Yeah.
connect.
There's some stuff
So
to
this would
reconnect.
be, the connect would take in info hash and peer ID,
Yeah.
right? So that was what that would take in.
Okay.
Connect info hash peer ID.
Wait. And on
Uh,
HTTP trackers, we just don't do anything, and then but
Well,
we
on HTTP trackers now we have this RX and TX. What we would do is we would make the
TXRX.
yeah, we would create that, yes.
Yeah, and we just wouldn't like do anything to the to the tracker itself.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, that seems fair.
And then we can upload you can use the tx.send
Mhm.
to um upload information like our upload rates, or well, not upload rate, like our downloaded
Yeah,
and
yeah.
left and stuff like that. So we
Okay,
can
that
yeah,
seems
exactly.
okay. That seems reasonable. All right.
So the syntax looks pretty good, hopefully.
Yeah. Let's put this somewhere, not just at the top of this file. Um,
Okay. I'm gonna put it in
I
I'm
don't.
just gonna call it
You just put it on
well, we
track.
could write it into
You
we
just
can
put it
write an
on.
integration test. Whatever. No, never mind.
No,
It's fine.
here. We can just put it on tracker now.
What do you mean?
On the tracker enum.
Sure.
There.
We can add as like an example.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Example. Um, what's this?
Oh, that's like an example tracker
Oh,
URI.
oh,
Oh,
let me-
so this would be example usage.
oh. Thank you. Okay. So we have example usage. Great, and
And
then
then
I'm gonna nitpick and do that. Should this be? Wait. Okay. What is BEP 12? Shouldn't that be? Hold on.
I think UDP trackers are BEP 15, but HTTP trackers are BEP 3,
That sounds
if I
right.
remember correctly.
Wait. Yeah. BEP 12 is multi-tracker metadata extension, which I mean, I guess. Yeah, but it's not really. It's not the core part of this. So it should be. We should be
BEP
linking.
3 has the core of how trackers work. Well, it's
It
BEP
should
3
be.
is specifically HTTP trackers, and BEP 15 is specifically UDP trackers.
Yeah. So here we should do HTTP trackers.
Trackers?
Huh,
Trackers?
bro. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna ignore that. Dude, we got something really gross on our porch today. I don't know. I don't know what it was.
You got some real what?
Like, we got something gross on our porch today.
Hmm. Some
Yeah.
bananas? Yeah, this guy hates bananas, by the way, chat. Just, more about that. Hates bananas. He's like a cat. When he sees one, he just like jumps away.
That's crazy. Banana phobia.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Anyways, so this is the syntax we're going for. Now that we have that, okay.
Okay.
How do we implement this?
Yeah. Okay. So let's start with let's see.
So what we should have is we should, instead of having tracker trait, we should have like what's it called? Tracker instance.
Let me look.
So let's create a trait called tracker instance, and then what we'll implement this is tracker itself, the enum, and then HTTP tracker and UDP tracker individually.
Okay, and make sure you do this below this enum so this documentation stays on this.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Nitpick.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, okay, yeah, you got that.
Pub trait tracker instance.
That should probably be pub crate,
So this
right?
probably, yeah. Well, no,
Well,
because
yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, other people might want to use that. Okay.
so we would have.
We have okay. So connect and oh, I am there. Okay, yeah. So connect and announce stream are the two big ones.
Well, can you add async trait
Oh,
to
sorry.
this?
Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah. Async. Oh, I cannot spell tonight. I'm not gonna act like I ever actually can. Async trait, info hash. Here, can I come up a line below you?
Hash.
Async function. Stream.
And then
What do you call that?
peer.
Announce stream. Announce
Peer.
stream.
Okay.
Okay. Beautiful.
And this returns message channels. Hold on 1 second. My mom's calling me.
Oh my god. This man and his mom. This man and his mom. Okay, so should we stream EXT or stream? I think it should just be. No. Oh, there's so many options. Oh my god. This is a interesting. Wait, cause hold on, future stream Rust. Cause there's also this. Okay, I'm gonna ask him about that when he gets back. Cause oh my god, there's so many different types of streams. I don't know which one is gonna be which. So, asynchronous streams. This one contains stream trait. Let me look at the stream trait. Okay, here we got it. Oh, implemented on it. Oh, here. Okay, there's a few different streams we can use. We can use Tokyo Stream. We can also use Future Stream. Just look at the options.
Let me see.
And there should be an MPSC channel, I believe. So there should be MPS.
Oh, it says beware that the stream trait is in Tokyo is a re-export of the trait found in the futures crate.
Okay, so you just want to use the futures
So they're basically
crate?
the same thing.
Okay, that seems fine.
They're basically the same thing. So just use Tokyo.
Okay. MPSC.
Yep.
Sender. We gotta decide what if we're gonna send this through enum or not an enum. Well, yeah, yes, enum, or something else.
Also, do we really need a receiver? I mean, no, wait. Do we need both of these? We're only gonna send things to this.
You're right.
Channel.
Yeah, if we
We're
only
gonna
need
send
that.
things to this channel.
Okay, that's fair. Okay, so what type? Yeah. So what day are we gonna be sending? Because if we want, okay, so if we want to update the state of the tracker, can we not just send like no?
Well,
go ahead.
Well, the trackers will both take the same information essentially, so we can probably just go to HTTPRS and look at the tracker params. Yeah.
Or,
so
yeah.
The
tracker request.
Here, yeah, right here. So this is standard right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is standard.
Yeah.
The tracker requests, they're essentially the same. We wouldn't have this, which honestly we don't really need anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Don't need this. We need port. Wait, do we need port? Yeah, we do need port.
Yeah, it's not bad to add it anyways.
And then event, we do need this left option. And the compact wouldn't exist.
Yeah.
Compact wouldn't exist for UDP.
Okay.
So we can add an option. And then events. Events are exactly the same for each one.
Mm-hmm.
It's just one is represented. Let me go to UDP.
Yeah, go for it.
Event. I've played these games before.
Yeah, no, because it should be really similar. I just don't.
Completed.
Oh wait. Look at the tracker stats in UDP to RS. Do we want to do that instead? I'm not sure.
Well, we can have that. Well, actually, no. We need both the sender and receiver for stats, for statistics.
Oh yeah, we do, don't we? Okay, that.
On the tracker. We need to receive
Oh
statistics
god,
back from the tracker.
this is gonna make things very complicated. Um.
It shouldn't, hopefully. And we can also
eh,
standardize tracker stats too. 'Cause they
Yeah.
also should are the same.
Okay,
It
so
should also have the same stats.
but
So yeah.
this is gonna have to be different because it's a different type because we're receiving stats. Or well, I guess it might not have to be, but it might be. Um. Yeah, let me look at this too.
Started, completed, stopped, empty. None, completed, started, stopped. These are basically exactly the same. It's not really.
Let me see.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the names from this one.
That seems fair. Uh-huh.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
let's split this.
Got this.
So this is HTTP, and then where's the split? Where'd it go? Am I blind?
Probably.
Oh, yeah, you would say that.
So we have that. Okay, so the MPSC
Okay.
sender. Do we want to send and receive tracker requests?
No, no. So what we're gonna be able to send tracker requests to each tracker and then receive back statistics.
But what? Oh, actually, I guess do we want to steal the tracker statistics that I mentioned in
Yeah.
EPRS? Okay, I'm gonna move that to mod then.
And then this would be
Oh, I gotta go
wrapper
to impl there too.
wrapper
I need impl.
use 32.
Yoink. I have to fix a few errors here. Okay.
Okay, those are events. Empty. And then we'll have to just delete my code.
Oh shit! Did I? What the fuck? Hold on. Did I delete something?
Wait, what did I just do? Wait, am I stupid? Wait, what
Don't say
file
that
am I
about
in?
yourself. Don't say that about yourself.
Oh no, I didn't. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. So that's good. So done.
Okay, let me look at the errors.
And then this is events. So wait, let me check the events from. So what's happening is UDP and HTTP have different names for the events. But they do essentially the same thing.
Yeah.
And in HTTP trackers, use a string to identify which event you're using,
Okay.
and UDP uses a number.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is I'm gonna give there's a hack where you can turn enums into strings really easily.
Oh,
What I
jeez.
did before was I basically implemented debug.
Mhm.
In the debug implementation of an enum that doesn't have a
Oh,
value
that's so
inside of its
hacky.
parentheses, it will just be the name of the enum.
Oh,
So if you just use that and then pass it to lowercase, it will do the same thing.
that's so.
So
Oh my God, so extremely hacky. Okay.
yeah, so I'm just saving myself from making a match statement basically.
That's fair. I mean, that's just yeah.
Saves quite a few lines of code. And then
Still scuffed.
number I can just do like as U8 or as use 32,
Mhm.
and that will use the number representation of this event. And they do this basically the same thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure this enums the names line up with the HTTP
Mhm.
um HTTP events basically,
Mhm.
and the numbers will match up with the UDP events, and we'll use it like that. But it should be standard on both of them.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. Okay.
you're so tired right now, I can tell.
Yes, I am so extremely tired, dude. I woke up at 7 to go to my 8 hour first aid training. I was outside until 5 and I came
For
home.
once.
What?
For once.
That's crazy. That just because I use Rust does not mean I don't go outside.
Beg to differ.
Okay, bro. Okay. And then my mom ate all the mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I was very sad because that was like the one thing I was looking forward to when I got home, dude. That was the one thing.
I didn't know you like chocolate.
Mint chocolate chip.
I didn't know you like chocolates.
Bro, you gotta chill. You gotta chill. Oh my god.
What do you mean? What do you
Okay,
mean?
I'm just not talking to you anymore. We're just not gonna, bro. Okay. Okay. Anyways, uh, ay ay ay. Okay, so what are we
So
gonna?
lock in Oscar.
I am, dude. I'm doing my best to lock in. I'm not though. Um. Okay, so what? Okay, have tracker stats. Okay, so we're gonna send. We're gonna receive tracker stats. Tracker stats, and we're going to send. Tracker. I feel like. Okay,
Well,
semantically.
there's some properties that we don't want to specify, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Like the interval, that
Yeah.
should be specified by the tracker itself.
Yeah. Like, so I guess okay. Semantically, should we just change that struct to be, or should we just make it a new struct for making requests and just have that be like, um,
Well, we can just
tracker?
make an option. That's the only thing. We can just make it an option.
I mean, we could, but then it's like just semantically we're reusing the same thing, so we could do like tracker. Um, my brain just stopped working. Holy crap!
Does that pretty often,
It does that a lot,
fortunately.
dude. It does that a lot. Just okay. Semantically, I don't like using tracker request for updating the contents of tracker. So maybe like tracker. Uh, what would you even call that? Just tracker info, tracker update. I don't know.
Well, okay, let's take a look. Wait, where is the tracker stuff again? I mean, where's the thing again?
Just in model
Tracker
RS.
request. Okay.
Oh, I
So
see what you're saying.
what, where would what information here would we be updating? So
Okay. So
compact,
uploaded.
we probably would never update this, and this is only applicable to HTTP trackers.
Okay,
Events, I don't really know how it works currently, but it's possible that we could or might
possible.
want to update this later on.
Left
Left, we're going to be updating
definitely
this pretty often.
downloaded, uploaded. Yes.
This is going to be import.
We're
Port,
never.
I don't think would be updated ever,
Yeah.
really. It would only be used once.
Yeah.
Oh, well, there's a possibility because eventually later on, this is like really, really down the line, we want to be able to I want to be able to support torrenting multiple torrents at once.
Okay, so that might be okay.
The port changing is possible, I
Yeah.
guess. In case because we need to have like unique servers for each torrent that we're going to be torrenting later down the line. This is like really far in the future.
Okay, I
Supporting
feel like
dialing multiple files at once.
okay, I feel like this what you've just said makes me even more convinced that we should have another struct for this because there are so many other things that we might want to do in the future. I'd rather not have to swap that struct out in the future if we
Why not? Well, how about this? Why not just make an enum? Enum
oh god, no more
tracker.
EM.
Yep, tracker. Uh, updates.
We're running out of names, man. Okay.
Uploaded.
Oh,
Use
okay. Oh,
size.
okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like that. Okay.
Downloaded.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Completed.
Okay. I could do this.
Oh, event. Event.
Yeah.
And then we wouldn't be. And then left. Use size. Well, and then we can, if we need to add port later on, we can just add it here.
Yeah. Um. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. That seems. Yeah. That seems fair. Okay. So now we. Okay. And that should be singular tracker update. Um. Tracker update.
I don't think this needs to be pub to the whole thing.
Shouldn't
This
need to be
can
no.
be pub create.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's pub create.
That makes a little bit more sense. We really need to document all this though. Before we do anything
Okay,
else. So here,
I got you.
let's. Yeah, yeah. Don't feed it to. I swear to God. Oh,
Oh, what?
also, wait. Okay, hold on. Are we? Okay, we're using Future Stream, right?
I thought we were using Tokyo Stream.
Well, no, but it's a re-export, remember?
Yeah, so you might as well just use Tokyo Stream since we're using Tokyo for everything else.
Okay, fair enough. Tokyo on. Wait, hold on. I literally am not getting that in my um
What?
uh
Where?
with Rust Analyzer. On
What's
once
going on? You're not
on
getting what?
116. I'm not. There's no option for importing Tokyo Stream. There's Stream
I
EXT.
literally just had it. Really?
Yeah, there's Stream EXT,
I'm
but
not
not.
getting it either. I just was getting it though.
Am I? Uh, Hold on. I wonder if Rust
Well, maybe
Analyzer.
maybe
Go
maybe
ahead.
we need to just use stream from futures.
Yeah,
Then you're like it's like a requirement.
I wonder if Rust Analyzer is mad that we're trying to, or is mad that there's
It's fine. It's
multiple.
just a re-export anyway.
Yeah, it doesn't
You can
matter.
just expected type found trait. Oh yeah. So you need to have a
Oh,
trait for this too.
yeah. Export.
So how many lines is this file? Oh, we're fine. It's only 200 lines.
Oh yeah. We're chilling. We're chilling. Wait. Where's the part about it being a re-export?
I think it was.
I should read
Oh,
that.
it was in stream ext. I think. I don't know. It's
Oh,
fine though.
okay.
Should be exactly the same.
No, no.
So.
I should see. Okay. Okay.
So then we're gonna need to make a peer stream.
Yeah. Okay, so the peer stream should just
Or
be.
well, is there async? I think async iter might be better. Async iter.
Huh? To.
Hold on.
Are you getting DoorDash again?
No. I'm looking at something.
Oh, okay.
Tokyo stream. Uh. Okay. So.
Okay, so here. Never mind.
The stream, iterating over stream, blah 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 blah. Conversion to and from async reader, right?
Yeah. Um. Hold on. Let me. My brain has to restart. Wait. Okay. Why would we implement async iter instead of stream or
Oh
stream
wait,
ext?
that's on me. That wasn't the right thing. It's
Oh,
on me.
okay.
It
Also,
needs to be stream.
we should not name this peer stream, because we already have a peer stream.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
Just to, yeah.
Because we have the
We
peer
should
stream. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
make sure we name it like very different, like very differently from peer stream, just so it's not confused.
Tracker stream.
I mean, I guess so. Yeah. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. All right. Yeah. I guess
Or we can
so.
just do a well this I feel like stream should oh yeah, it takes a dine. Okay, we can just do like dine
Yeah. Or
simple
I I think yeah. Okay.
stream peer.
Will that work? I think it should work.
Okay,
Ah.
what are you mad about?
Takes
Takes zero generic. It doesn't take a generic.
No, because you don't need to specify the type. It just if it's in you're saying
Oh
that
yeah,
whatever. Yeah. It doesn't care
okay, yeah.
what the. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that works. Okay, that works.
How do you mean? Tracker stats is more private than the item. Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, it's okay. It's because
Yeah.
track. Okay.
That's
we
actually
can just make this pub great for now. It's fine.
that should be.
Actually, no, because people would want to access these. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Rust
I guess we'll
analyzer
just.
saving us.
Yeah. No. I know. Okay. Let's. Okay. Do we want to go ahead and implement? Just make a like a.
Well, streaming. So basically, we would make it a unique stream impl for both UDP and HTTP trackers because the logic would be different.
Oh, right. You're right. Okay. Yeah. So in that case, let's document this and commit it. I think.
We have a lot of copy errors though.
Oh
And
yeah.
but I'm assuming this is your way to like end stream, go to sleep.
Maybe. Maybe
Yeah, I
not.
had a feeling.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
your commit in.
No. It is. I couldn't get it. I committed since I got up at 7 and I wasn't home until 5. because I was outside all day, and and there's a really bad sunburn on the back of my neck because I didn't put on sunscreen. Yeah, so I'm literally redneck now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's a slur, you know that, right?
That that wait, is that bro? What? That's not. Okay, look. I basically am that because of where I live. It's not a slur. There's no way. That's like a commonly used term where I live.
For a reason.
That's fair. That's fair. Okay, anyways. Uh, okay, so for tracker stats, okay, this is just uh stats to be returned from announce stream. I need to link that. Um, from announce stream. This should be. Hold on. You there?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
Okay.
Reading documentation. I'm reading the friendly manual.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Hey guys, follow this guy's video. Read the friendly manual.
Okay. So let's. Oh wait. Where was I? There we go. How do I link this again? It should be crates track. Wait. Okay. Crates tracker requests tracker instance announce stream question mark tracker instance. I don't know how to link things. How do I link things to docs? Rust auto doc links.
What are you trying to do, Oscar?
I'm trying.
Oh
Don't calm down, man. I'm trying to. I'm trying to link it. I'm trying to link the thing, but I don't know how to do that in the same file.
You just wrap it in brackets and put the name.
If this works, let's see. It did not work.
Wait, okay, where are you?
56. Line 56.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to link to an announce stream.
Okay.
I had that.
What are you doing?
That doesn't work either, I don't think.
It does.
Press
It GD.
should
No.
it.
Press GD. No, it doesn't though. This it said.
Oh, look,
sometimes
it does. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay.
And also, if you hover over it in Z, it will show you.
Okay. Has to be returned from announce stream. Okay. I should probably say statistics. Statistics to be returned from announce stream. Tracker statistics. Let me go.
Tracker.
I know.
Or the RTCP
event. I guess that's fine. Okay, this is the data that's included in a request made to a HTTP tracker, right?
This is for either or tracker.
Okay.
The port for
a
other to connect
data
us.
for a request made to
if we want
HTTP
use in a compact format or not only applicable to HTTP trackers. Okay.
An enum for updating data inside a tracker with the MPSC sender returned from announce. What is it? Announce peers? What is it called again? Announce stream. Bro, That scared the crap out of me. Dude, dude, I'm genuine. Dude, that scared me. That scared me so bad. I genuinely
I
jumped a
think my
little bit.
Wi-Fi just turned off because you stopped talking to everything. I just disconnect and reconnect from the call. You stopped moving on Z too, and then yeah. So sorry.
That jump scared me. Oh my God. I am now very awake. I no longer feel tired.
Let's go. We're working till 12, guys. We're
Dude,
we're
no,
going till
no,
1 a.m.
no. I have a thing tomorrow as well.
Unfortunate.
The only day that I don't have a thing this week is Monday, dude. Literally the only day.
Okay. I'm
But
gonna be
after,
busy tomorrow too, so
oh, of course you
tortillas
are.
might be a little
Of
bit
course.
dry tomorrow.
The what will be?
Said tortillas might be a little bit dry tomorrow.
No, I'm not like that busy. It's from like 1:30 to 3.
Oh,
It won't take long. Uh,
oh. Nice, nice, nice.
yeah. Let me link to the MPSC Center too, I guess. MPSC Center, where is this gonna be from? I guess, wait, hold on, let me just look at crates. Wait, MPSC Center. Is it not? Oh, there it is. So Tokyo Sync MPSC Center. Doop doop doo.
Right.
Tokyo
Well,
Sync MPSC Sender question mark. It's not. Wait. Oh, right. I can just test. I can just. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That does not seem to link properly. Let me look at linking stuff again.
oh, I can really do that. Okay, that's cool.
Okay. So.
So try to implement copy where you can, because it like makes it where we don't have to use arcs at all.
Okay.
By the way.
Okay. I'll. Yeah. I'll take a. That should be. You mean just derive copy? Because we shouldn't really have. Well, I mean, same thing,
Yeah.
obviously, but because yeah, we
Right,
should
yeah.
actually manually implement that. It's.
It takes me to the docs if it's working correctly.
Okay, I don't
This
know.
link is working correctly.
Okay, I don't know why it's not working for me. Whatever. Okay.
I clicked the link, it takes me to the docs like on the website.
For
It
MPSC
takes me to
Sender.
crates.io. Yeah, like if
Oh,
I hover over the link,
maybe I should have it configured
like
correctly.
hover over the tracker update, and then it says
Yeah.
MPSC sender, and if you click on that link, it like takes you to the docs on the website.
Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Whatever.
Works for me.
It's going well tonight cutting with Atlas. I'm just extremely tired, so my brain is a little bit foggy.
A
But
little bit.
yeah, more than a little bit. But Seifu has locked in on this finally. Finally, cough, cough, cough.
Well, we have the same contributions. You have like what,
Whoa. Well,
like a
that's not.
thousand more additions than me?
Look. GitHub is not a numbers game. I'm just, so, bringing up
Mm-hmm.
the number of. By the way, have I mentioned that I have uh, uh, a 210-day commit streak? Have I have I
It's crazy.
mentioned that,
Good job, bro.
Seifu? But
Good job, bro.
again, GitHub is not a numbers game. So, we really shouldn't be comparing like that. Okay.
Oh, we can go band for band. We can go commit
No,
for commit.
we cannot go band for band. Oh, no. Okay. Is this bytes downloaded, uploaded, and downloaded?
I don't know. You'd have to check the documentation. I have no idea, to
Doc,
be honest.
documentation for what? BitTorrent or oh right, BitTorrent.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, it should be in like
yeah, I'm there. It's not, dude. It's literally. It doesn't say.
I
It
have
has.
no idea.
It has to be bytes. Like there's no. Dude, it literally does not say. Like
I
what the
have
hell?
no clue.
It has to be bytes. Like it had. Okay. I'll just leave a note. Um, bytes uploaded. Due to BitTorrent's god awful documentation, I am not aware, and I am not aware if this is
Because it
actually.
could also be pieces.
Oh God, you're right. Okay, okay. Look, I'm gonna assume it's bytes. I just
Yeah, that would make the most
that
sense.
would.
At the
I
same
know.
time, like we can have like a lot of bytes, and we might reach the integer limit if the file is too big,
Uh,
and that would break the URL.
no, no, no. Okay, I guess. Let me let me look and see if I can find anything else about this. The BitTorrent theory thing has been useful. BitTorrent theory, BitTorrent specification. Um, Let me see if I can find something about this. Oh, here we go. Total amount uploaded. The consensus is that this should be the total number of bytes uploaded. Okay, bytes.
Okay, well,
Um,
yep.
I'm
Add in the tracker request, add add a link to that so I can find that later when I'm actually writing this
Oh yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
code.
I'm linking it. However, going to BitTorrent to wiki.theory. To BitTorrent. Oh yeah, we're gonna link this. We're gonna be real fancy. Um, to BitTorrents wikitheory.org. Um, this is the general consensus. The general consensus
Wait,
is
so they state that the general consensus is it's supposed to be bytes?
yeah, but there's no actual like defining. Yeah, there's no strict definition, so it might not be.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
There's so much stuff we have to do. I think the hardest part of this project is gonna be when we actually get the pieces and how we're gonna write them to files.
I've already looked into
It
that.
doesn't.
It's not that bad.
No, no. Without loading it, it's a memory.
Yeah,
That's the
no,
thing.
no, it's not bad. You can do this thing called what is it called? It's Seek, I think, where you basically allocate the that amount of space on disk, and then you seek uh byte sections in between in that bit of allocated, or not that bit, but in that
Oh
space
yeah,
of
no, the
allocated memory.
multi files. That's another thing that's gonna be annoying.
Oh God, okay, that's gonna be horrible. I don't know how we're gonna do that.
'Cause I want I kind of understand how it works now, I think.
Yeah,
'Cause remember that guy that we were watching? Well, that I was watching, that same link of.
yeah.
He like goes through that, and I was like watching him go through it, and it kind of makes sense now to me. But like, we actually like when you get some time, you actually need to watch that video. Like it's
Okay, okay.
like, like bed or something, you know.
Bed? What?
Bed, you know. I watch coding videos to bed.
Oh my God, of course you do. Of course you do. Of course you
What? My bad, I'm a nerd, bro. Like my fault.
do.
I'm committed, bro. I'm committed to Rust.
You're something. You're something. See documentation for this enum, and then left is okay. Please tell me that there's at least the number of bytes this client still has to download. Yeah, okay. The number of bytes this client still has to download. Does it mention that in BEP3? Because I can't confidently say that it actually works. Okay. It does actually say that. Oh God, dude. um,
BEP3 is like, I mean, BEP is like the only official documentation that like
yeah, I know.
everything else
Yeah,
wraps around. Then you
yeah,
have like theories, I guess, and like,
yeah. Oh, hey,
general consensus is that people came to by using the protocol.
yeah.
But
Hey,
yeah,
whoever just left a message in chat, I can't read your name, not because, well, for, well, probably because it's in a language that I don't know, but also because I haven't loaded those fonts onto my system yet. So, sorry.
it's in Mandarin.
Okay. Yeah, I have I don't have those fonts loaded on my system. Um, but thank you.
Average X11 user.
Yeah, literally, dude, literally, I can't, dude, I don't know what fonts I'm missing, and I can't figure it out, and I can't be bothered to figure it out. I just,
Average X11 user.
yeah,
Just Chilean, bro.
literally,
Just Shiniri.
I'm not switching it. I might, but I don't like it. Um,
What? You don't like Neri?
I
Why?
no 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 no. I just don't like the scrolling. Like I like having windows like this.
No, I said that too until I actually tried it. And it's actually really nice.
Okay. I might try it when I get time. So like in two damn
Next decade.
decades. Yeah. Decade. I swear to God. Okay. All right. Then we have to. Okay. Documentation for tracker instance. And then I'm getting off for the night because I'm so tired, dude. Um, tracker instance. Oh. And we should probably allow on allow allow unused. Okay, that should be fine. And then okay, so trait for UD for T for HTTP and UDP trackers. Is that correct for tracker instance?
What'd you say?
Or you're watching YouTube. You're
Um,
watching YouTube. No,
no. I'm
I
just
know.
confused on what you mean.
No, line 131 tracker mod rs. Is that an accurate description? What else should I add?
I don't really think we need documentation for the trait itself. I think we need documentation for each individual function and what it does.
That's probably fair. I'm gonna leave this here for my own sanity, but that's fair. Um,
Uh, Macros go below documentation.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Uh, next to the tracker, if this tracker is HTTP, is an HTTP tracker, no actual connection is made. Is made. Uh,
Yes, correct.
if this tracker is a UDP tracker, what's the what, is there an actual like handshake process with UDP? There isn't, is there? Because
Yes, yes,
there.
there is.
Okay.
There's a handshake. Wait, oh yeah, wait. To do this, so we might need
Oh my god. Oh
um
my god. Oh my god, dude.
for UDP. Remember, we want to only have one server for UDP trackers.
Yeah.
So the problem is somewhere here we're gonna have to specify the UDP server.
Mm, what do you mean? Can we just do that inside the struct? I'm confused. Let's do that.
Uh, I I guess we could do something like we could have like uh attach server.
Can we just do that in connect? I'm very
But we can
confused.
add as a property probably if we want to.
Oh no no
You want
no.
to add as a prop?
Wait no. But no. But if we um hold on. Uh, can we just connect
Need a way to
to?
pass a UDP server to this.
Oh right, because wait no. But if the UDP tracker struct implements this trait, can we just store the UDP socket on that UDP struct?
Yes, but we're gonna be creating new tracker instances for each tracker.
Oh, yep, you're right. Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
Okay, how do we want to do that then? We should. I feel like like an attach server function would be better.
Yeah, it'd be cleaner because
Okay.
just wouldn't run this function on HTTP trackers.
Yeah, that's fair.
Well, actually, well, yeah, we can just keep this function empty. Uh, Patch server. But if we want to expand to WebSocket later on, that would be kind of hard to do, honestly. Right?
Yeah.
WebSocket, because WebSocket is a server client protocol. So we can have multiple clients. So I guess we can just make this do nothing. Attach
What do you mean?
server. So we can just make this do nothing on WebSocket clients. So we want to do here. Uh,
Well, yeah, it just takes in. Well, wait. Should we wait? Should we only add this for the UDP tracker struct?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly,
and then
yeah.
just not have it for tracker instance, the actual trait.
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, just don't do anything for. We can just make this um not return anything for everything else. Just be like UDP server. Shouldn't it be an arc UDP?
Wait. Wait.
socket.
But why are you putting it uh in the tracker instance struct then?
Wait, we shouldn't be using. Wait, why are we using arc from? Doesn't Tokyo have its own arc, or am I tripping?
No, it doesn't.
Really?
Nope. I know. I don't.
Seriously?
I don't completely. No, it doesn't. I don't completely understand why. You can look. But I'm very sure it does not.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't. You're right.
Okay. If a tracker is a UDP tracker, the default a connection is established with the peer.
Uh, Okay. And then write documentation for announce stream.
Wait, hold on. Why are we putting attached server in this trait if it's only going to be used for
Because
UDP?
okay, well the reason why is because what's it called the tracker instance. Hold on, how do I explain this? You go to the tracker trait, right? The
Tracker.
tracker trait HTTP UDP only takes a string, right? For tracker. Well, sorry, not tracker trait, tracker. Here it says tracker. Line 46.
Yes. Yeah. I'm there.
Okay. It only takes a string, right? So that means that in tracker, we can only run self.0 to have access to a string, right?
Okay.
Making sense? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we use that string to then create an HTTP or UDP tracker off
Okay.
that. So that code would be, I don't remember where that code is.
Yeah. No. It's like
But we had
match.
code somewhere.
I think it's stream peers. No. Wait. Yes. Yeah. Either get
Import
peers or stream
tracker.
peers.
Oh, get peers, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where we create the actual tracker.
Yeah.
So, I'm planning on making the HTTP tracker itself and the UDP tracker itself all implement this trait, and then the tracker struct itself, I mean the tracker enum itself, implement this trait also. So all three of them will implement this
Oh my
implement this
God.
basically.
Okay,
Make
but
sense?
yeah, but why can't we just throw in this function only on the UDP struct?
Because the tracker doesn't have access to that yet.
I'm not going to question this for now.
It is just don't question it. Just
Yeah.
gotta trust my judgment here. You'll understand it eventually.
Okay. 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 Announce stream. Uh,
And
return.
also, by the way, for
Mm.
future reference, it is bad practice to just have functions as async when they don't have to be. Just adds overhead that we
Okay.
don't need, by the way.
Okay.
I saw that you were just adding it. You had some
Yeah.
functions like, yeah, they're async, but and you put a comment saying it's async because why not?
I did not do that, Your Honor. This man is gaslighting me. He's trying to take
Mm-hmm.
down my
Mm-hmm.
reputation. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
anyways. Now the stream. uh, okay, so returns a stream that is updated every time a peer. Hold on.
Go to supports RS.
Huh?
Go to supports RS.
Yeah. What about it?
Go to line 58 in supports RS. Read your comment.
This man is trying to harm my reputation. Please do not listen to him. He has
Oh, we
made
can't
many
edit
lies
now. It's
about
not
me.
part of.
He has made
It's
many
not
lies
in
about
the
me.
scope of the.
He has
Sound like
made many
Trump.
lies about me, and now he is trying to say that I have done this mistake. That was his mistake all along.
Sound like Trump.
I really do. Okay, yeah, I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, that's
I know.
thinking chat. What are you thinking, chat?
Uh.
Why is it async? I don't know. Cause vibes.
Okay,
Yeah, why is this function async, bro? Oh yeah, I just felt like it. Vibes.
bro.
It had an async vibe to it.
Oh
That's
my
why.
God. Okay, return to stream that's update every time a group of peer not updated. What do you call like adding to a stream? Increment, not incremented.
Appended.
Append append, stream that appends every new group appears. That appends every new group appears. That a tracker that we receive from a tracker. Okay, that's beautiful. I don't want to be that guy, but you did misspell attaches. So, not to be that guy, but it's up there. There you go.
Wait, yo.
What? Did you? Did you not?
Oh no, you're just about to say something that you shouldn't have said.
No, it was not. Okay. Okay. Is there anything else we want to do tonight?
You're gonna do tonight. I'm.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna be up coding till 12.
I know. Okay. Is there anything else that we want to do in this commit? How about that?
Nope.
Okay.
Let me just run cargo clippy.
Yeah. No, it's good on my end.
We're good.
Okay.
I'll go next test. Let's see if our test passed. Yep, all of our tests passed.
Yay.
17 tests passed.
Yay.
Yeah, okay. We should be good.
All right. You ready? Yeah. You want to commit?
Okay, yep, I got you.
Okay. I can do the message if you want. Check everything off.
That's fine.
Okay, got it.
Should be, let's see.
Yeah, what did we do? I guess that's not wrong. Extract type to monitor Rust. Include something about prepping for like reworking how trackers work. Yeah, there you go. That should be fine.
Okay. Commit.
I'm free.
Oh,
I'm
boy.
free. All right. Yeah, I'm getting off.
Alright, I'm making a draft PR too.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna turn this into a draft PR.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Good night, chat. I'm gonna go
Good night,
rest.
chat.